The 3 drinks that regenerate stem cells repair the body. Alcohol is often a topic of debate and curiosity, especially when discussing health and wellness. Many people wonder about its role in longevity, particularly when looking at the blue zones, regions known for their high concentration of centenarians. Except for Loma Linda, all blue zones incorporate small, regular amounts of alcohol into their lifestyle. Does this mean alcohol is beneficial, or is it that these populations can handle it due to their overall healthy lifestyle? The answer isn't clear-cut. When it comes to alcohol, particularly red wine, there's a mix of perceptions and scientific findings. Many epidemiological studies suggest that moderate consumption, like a glass or 2 of red wine, is associated with some health benefits, such as a lower risk of certain diseases. However, it's crucial to understand that these studies do not necessarily prove causation. The ethanol in alcohol, the same component found in whiskey, beer, and other spirits, is not inherently good for you. In fact, alcohol is a toxin. However, if you're otherwise healthy and your body's defense mechanisms and metabolism are resilient, a small amount of alcohol won't cause significant harm. Since the beginning of agriculture, humans have been fermenting grains and fruits to produce alcohol. It is deeply embedded in human tradition, used to celebrate significant life events such as births, weddings, and holidays. Alcohol is part of our social fabric, and demonizing it would ignore its cultural significance. Instead, we should recognize it as a tradition rather than a health food. This perspective allows us to enjoy alcohol in moderation as part of our social and cultural practices without overemphasizing its supposed health benefits. In no scientific study is alcohol considered beneficial for health. Continuous abuse of alcohol can break down our body's systems, but moderate consumption, especially when integrated into an otherwise healthy lifestyle, is generally manageable. The human body is remarkable and capable of bouncing back from occasional indulgences, whether it's alcohol or other treats like diet soda. The key is moderation and balance. In discussing healthy beverage choices, let's explore what I refer to as the holy trinity of beverages: water, tea, and coffee. These drinks are not only essential for hydration and metabolism but also come with various health benefits. Water is crucial for hydration, maintaining our health defenses, and supporting metabolism. Drinking water helps regulate body temperature, aids digestion, and can even help control appetite by filling the stomach. Although bottled water is convenient, it's preferable to drink filtered water to avoid potential microplastics. Tea, the second most popular beverage globally, tea offers numerous health benefits. Green tea, in particular, is rich in polyphenol that boost metabolism and improve overall health. Varieties like matcha, oolong, and pu'er tea provide different benefits. Matcha, for instance, is packed with polyphenol due to its unique cultivation process, while pu'er tea aids in fat burning and contains probiotics beneficial for gut health. Coffee is rich in chlorogenic acid and other polyphenol that support health defenses and stimulate metabolism. While not everyone tolerates caffeine well, coffee can be a healthy choice for many when consumed in moderation. I emphasize that food should not be feared. Instead, we should embrace and enjoy our food, understanding that it can be both delicious and healthy. This mindset shifts us away from the fear-based approach to food and towards a more balanced, joyful experience of eating. Whether it's the Mediterranean diet or other traditional cuisines, we have much to learn from how cultures integrate food into their lifestyle in a way that promotes both health and pleasure. By adopting a balanced and mindful approach to alcohol and other aspects of our diet, we can enjoy the cultural and social aspects of eating and drinking while maintaining our health. Remember, it's about balance, moderation, and making informed choices that suit your individual lifestyle and health needs.